All right, I'm here in the back kitchen. We're serving 1,700 people today in a 2-hour period. We got chicken, we got brisket, and we smoked it 6 hours, and now we're finishing it with a braise, rendering the fat so it's perfectly done. And then we have our famous ribs. Our ribs are baby back ribs. We use a dry rub. People that like heavy sugary barbecue sauce can add it on the food service line. We like to show off the back kitchen because we have spent years and years and years creating an efficient, very transportable, and very scalable food service. So we can do 5,000 people just as easy as we can do 1,500. I got smokers turned into ovens. We use them both ways. Our chef kits are all pre-packed. Everything's dialed in. You'll see a lot of hustle and bustle back here, but watch how much you see tables getting wiped down, stuff getting double cleaned. We run a clean, tight show, and our food is competition quality.